Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick low hairstyle. To start, I've parted the hair in a side parting. Now we're just going to section off the top of the hair, so take your thumbs on both sides a few inches above the ears. Bring this to the back, smooth it down with a hairbrush and then just pop into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Apply some of your favourite texture spray and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull all the hair at the crown area just to give it a bit of volume. And then just fix into place with a touch of hairspray. All the products I've used today I'll pop in the description box below for you. Next we're going to take a big chunk of hair from above the ear on both sides of the head. We're going to bring these around to the back and then just tie them together in another clear elastic band just to the right hand side of the head. Apply a bit more texture spray on this section and pinch and pull at the hair so it matches the top. We're going to take one more section on each side, so take a big chunk of hair from the right hand side from behind the ear and the same on the left hand side. Bring this together at the back of the head and then just angle it slightly to the left hand side and secure with another clear elastic band. Again, add a bit more texture spray and pinch and pull at those sections. And then just secure everything in place with a little bit of hairspray. Okay, take that last ponytail and just clip it out of the way for now and split the remaining hair in half. Release that ponytail so it falls through the middle. And we're just going to take the left hand section and we're going to use our fingers just to go behind that previous section that we've just put in the elastic band. Pop your fingers through and then just pass the left hand section to it and pull it down and through that little hole we've made. And then we're just going to secure it to that ponytail with another clear elastic band. Now we're just going to repeat this again, so pop your fingers under that section on the left hand side, pass the hair from the right hand side up to your fingers and then pull it through and behind that section, and then just join everything together with another clear elastic band. Next we're going to make a small hole to the bottom right hand side of the head, so just pass your fingers behind the hair so your fingers are pointing down, and this time we're going to pull that ponytail up and through the hole. And then for the last little bit we're going to create a hole on the left hand side of the head. Pass the ponytail through to your fingers and pull it down, and then just secure this in place with a bobby pin. Use your fingers just to fluff out that previous section to help hide the elastic bands and pin it to the head if needed. Wrap those tail ends around a bobby pin and then just tuck them under everything. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.